Okay, so this video is going to be about replacing the blower motor in a 2002 Ford Focus. Blower motor is going to be located right behind the glove box, and to get behind that, it's a very simple process. Once you open the glove box, you're going to want to remove everything that's in your glove box, but you're going to see right here on both sides there's two rubber pieces. Those actually hold the glove box in from falling out. So all you got to do is push those over on both sides and the glove box will drop down. There's a better shot of that rubber piece. It's just a very simple design, and then it drops down and you have access. Now obviously you're going to want to remove everything out of here because it'll all drop out. So the first thing you want to do is remove the bolt on the left side of the sticker, which is holding the air duct for the floor. Next, you're going to want to go under the dash and remove the fasteners holding the insulation to the bottom of the floorboard area. This will give you access to the blower motor from underneath to complete this project. With the bolt removed from the top, you were able to remove the remaining bolts for the air duct below and remove it to gain access to the additional bolts at the bottom of the blower motor. Next, remove the electrical connector going to the blower motor, and then remove the 3 bolts holding the blower motor in. Once the blower motor comes out, grab your new part and compare it, and make sure that it is the same part before you put it back in. So after installing the new blower motor in, the only thing left to do is to test it out. And it works.